Alright Bragster, so this is the CD that we're going to blow up. Hopefully it won't blow up the microwave. So here we go. I'm not quite sure how you keep it up, but that sounds wrong. Oh wait. Oh no. Should I be standing? This is going to be in a Michael Jackson event, isn't it? It's going to blow in my face. I'm going to turn into a freak. Bit of disco going on there. "30 more seconds to go." Hurry up. "15 more seconds to go." Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey! That's one messed up CD.
Oh my god.
Ooh, it smells terrible.
Is this how Chernobyl happened?
You touch it. You should touch it.
Want me to touch it?
Yeah. Is it hot?
Ah! Fuck! Ow, shit! Ah!
You've got to show people the evidence.
Ah!